5 herbal remedies for the treatment of arthritis. Arthritis is the inflammation of one or several joints. It's caused by the degradation of the cartilage that joins the bones, which produces a friction between them. Herbal remedies can help with the treatment of arthritis. Patients who suffer from it often feel chronic pain, and often these are accompanied by difficulty in the ability to move, stiffness and swelling. Although it's common to develop it as a result of aging, it can also be caused by autoimmune diseases, infections, and injury to bones. However, regardless of its cause, there are several treatments that can help cope with the symptoms and prevent them from affecting your quality of life. Among the natural alternatives are some herbal remedies. Due to their therapeutic properties, they are very useful for the control of symptoms. Here, we'll share 5 good alternatives, so don't hesitate to try them when you feel any symptoms. Read on. Dandelion. Dandelion contains large amounts of vitamins A and C, nutrients needed for protecting the tissues lining the joints. Its diuretic properties help combat fluid retention, a factor related to increased tissue inflammation. Ingredients: one spoonful of dandelion, 10 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: put a cup of water on to boil. When it's hot, remove it from the heat and add the dandelion. Cover the drink and wait for 5 or 10 minutes. Consumption: drink a cup of dandelion infusion on an empty stomach and, if you like, repeat in the middle of the afternoon. Take it when the pain strikes or 3 times a week. Chamomile. Although its effects are not as potent as other herbs, chamomile can be useful in reducing pain caused by arthritis. Its sedative compounds help relax stiff muscles and reduce inflammation. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chamomile flowers, 10 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: add the chamomile flowers to a cup of boiling water and cover the drink. Let it sit for 10 minutes and pass it through a colander. Consumption: drink up to 3 cups of chamomile tea per day. Try to rest while the pain subsides. Rosemary. The consumption and external application of rosemary is also one of the alternative treatments for reducing the symptoms caused by the wear and tear of joints. This plant contains essential oils, antioxidants and powerful anti-inflammatories that help improve circulation to promote a feeling of relief. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 10 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: add a spoonful of rosemary to a cup of hot water, cover and let stand 10 minutes. After this time, strain the infusion and drink it. Consumption: drink 2 cups of rosemary infusion daily, one in the morning and another before you go to bed. Optionally, dip a cloth in the hot infusion and apply it to painful areas. Lime. Limes have diaphoretic properties that promote the secretion of sweat. This can be used as part of the treatment of arthritis, especially when caused by the accumulation of uric acid. Through sweat, the body manages to eliminate a wide variety of toxins, which lightens inflamed joints. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of lime flowers, 5 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: heat a cup of water and dip the lime flowers. Cover the drink, let it steep for 10 minutes and filter it with a sieve. Consumption: drink 2 cups of lime tea per day for a minimum for 2 weeks. White willow bark. White willow bark contains an active substance known as salicin, which is transformed into salicylic acid in the body, providing analgesic effects similar to aspirin. These properties, as well as its anti-inflammatory action, promote the relief of joint pain and improve blood flow for optimal transport of oxygen and nutrients. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon white willow bark, 5 grams, 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: add a teaspoon of white willow bark to a cup of boiling water. Cover the drink and wait for it to sit for 8 or 10 minutes. Consumption: take the infusion mid-morning and, if the pain persists, repeat in the afternoon. Arthritis is a complex disease that can develop in different ways in each patient. Although these remedies facilitate the relief of pain, it's essential to improve your lifestyle habits.